Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to activate your Shell gift card quickly and easily. First of all, open your browser and go to the Shell gift card activation page. You can usually find the link on the back of your gift card or in the email if it's digital. Next, enter the required details. This includes your card number and PIN. Both can be found on the back of your card. For physical cards, you might need to scratch off the protective strip to see the PIN. Once all the details are entered, double check them to avoid errors. Then click Submit or Activate. After a few seconds, you will see a confirmation message that your card has been successfully activated. Now, you can start using it at Shell stations or online. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick guides.